standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll want to hit that subscribe button and you'll turn on your notifications. So I have my very first Boxycharm PR box. I was shocked and excited. 2 months ago I got an email, and if I can find it I'll put it in here for you, saying that they wanted me to join their creator program, which I was super excited about. So I have it, and I will go ahead and link their information, my referral link, down in the description box for you guys. But that is what I have. So I got a card in here from them that tells me a little bit about the creator program. A little bit about the creator program in here. So I thought that was kind of cool. You still get your card in here that tells you about the products and the prices, and I don't know if the variations are different. I don't know. It looks like it says variation 1, but anyhow, we're gonna go through this. So okay, the very first thing in here, which I have on, is the Alley Oop, and she is cream. It said that it's bronzer, blush, and a highlight. It's one of those things where it's real neat and it kind of folds out here like this. It goes into a compact. It's got a mirror in here, and I do have this on. I have on the bronzer here and here. I do have on the blush, and the illuminator I have here, but I put a highlight over it. It really, like, it says it's a highlight, but to me it's just like an illuminator. It's kind of iridescent, which worked pretty well, especially if you've got dry skin. You do kind of want to use more cream products. So this was neat. Let me tell you what the value. $38. Wow. Okay. Then the Kate Somerville Goat Milk. This is a product we're familiar with, so I have one of these. I have it open and I've used it. It is a moisturizer. It's not real thick, but it's not real thin either. It doesn't really have a strong scent. I don't even know if this one has a scent. Yeah, it does, but it almost smells like glue to me. It's not, but it almost smells like that. Anyhow, so that Kate Somerville is always nice to get. This is a $76 value. Wow. Okay. Put that aside. And then we got the Jecca Black Glow Drops, $20 value. This here had a seal on it, and I do have it on my upper cheekbone here. I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit out and do a swatch for you guys. This is something I used as a highlight, but I really feel like if you're wearing like a tube top, you could put this on your collarbone because it's nice and glowy. It just kind of gives you that summer glow, I guess. Okay, let's move on. Beauty for Certain Whole Lotta Mascara. This here, the wand in here is pretty thick. I do like a thick wand, and I do have her on as well. She went on nicely, separated my lashes, so I was kind of happy about this. Love getting mascara because in the summertime, it's just one of those things you can throw on and it makes a difference, you know, and you don't have to wear like a lot of makeup. Okay, then by the Beauty Crop, an $18 value. It was the liquid eyeshadow duo. I do have this color here on my eyes as a base. The only thing I didn't really like about this is that the applicator, it's just that. It's not like a brush you'd really brush with your, use it as a brush on your eye, if you know what I mean. So I did put this on, and then I put on shadow over it, and it is a nice shade and it blended out well. I did not try this side on my eyes, but I will go ahead and swatch her for you. She's definitely stunning. Look at that. Crazy, right? Okay, so that was everything. Let me go ahead and do a recap. Okay, so the dual-ended eyeshadow, the Glow Drops, the Kate Somerville Moisturizer, the Alley Oop, and the mascara. That is everything I got in my base box for PR. I can't even believe I'm saying that. PR. So I was very excited to get this. Super excited about it. I will leave Boxycharm's information. Look at that glow down in the description box, and let me know if you have any questions. It looks like the Beauty for Certain mascara was new brand to Boxy. We have seen the Beauty Crop. We are seeing that more and more. It is a brand that's a little on the cheaper side, but you can get some good stuff from that. Kate Somerville's always nice to get. The Alley Oop, not bad. I mean, I did enjoy everything. I would have liked to have seen a palette in here, but this is definitely not a bad box. But I do want your thoughts down in the comments below, and I will total her up and put the value of this box on the screen for you. And I look forward to talking with you guys down in the comments. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. I'll see you really soon in another one. Bye.